Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the richness of the English language, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I am so glad you're here. Today's word is activist. That's right, activist is our word of the day, and it's a C1 level noun that refers to a person who works to bring about social or political change. Let's dive into its meaning, usage, and how you can incorporate it into your vocabulary. An activist is someone who takes action to promote a cause, often advocating for change in society, politics, or even the environment. This word is often used to describe individuals who are passionate and dedicated to making a difference. For example, someone campaigning for equal rights, protesting environmental damage, or raising awareness about important issues might be called an activist. Now, let's explore some synonyms. Words like advocate, campaigner, and reformer share similar meanings. Here's how you can use them. She's an advocate for mental health awareness, or the campaigner organized a rally to address climate change. These words capture the proactive spirit of an activist while adding variety to your vocabulary. On the flip side, some antonyms for activist include bystander and passive observer. These words describe individuals who do not take action to address issues. For instance, unlike the activist, the bystander chose not to participate in the protest, or a passive observer watches from the sidelines without engaging in change. In everyday life, you might encounter the word activist in conversations about social movements or community initiatives. For example, the activist community is organizing a fundraiser to support local charities. You could also hear it in the news. An environmental activist led a campaign to reduce plastic waste. Here are some sentence examples to solidify your understanding of activist. The activist worked tirelessly to promote equal pay for all workers. Being an activist requires courage, dedication, and a commitment to change. She's known as a passionate activist in the fight against poverty. To sum up, an activist is a person who actively works to bring about social or political change. Its synonyms include advocate, campaigner, and reformer, while antonyms like bystander and passive observer highlight the contrast between action and inaction. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the word activist. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show and join our language learning community. I'd love to hear how you would use activist in a sentence, so drop your examples in the comments. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing your vocabulary.